Today we'll talk about how can you enable ready to send notifications on your the Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on options, you just click on it, you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click on notifications here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. You come here to ready to send, just click in this sign. That like you see here, it's show for us like this. That's me ready to send, enable with us now. And here can you select here sounds in this list here. So that's all you have to do here to enable ready to send. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by